Hi there, Shawn DeLaat here with the DeLaat Real Estate Team, and this is your December 2023 market update. First off, I want to express to you all a very, very happy New Year's, wishing you a year filled with happiness, health, and prosperity. So first off, what I'd like to do is do a little recap of 2023. So here we are with December. We are sitting at higher inventory levels than we ended with in 2022. We're sitting at slightly over 2,600 listings for the entire Niagara region. So we will be going into 2024 with higher inventory levels than we experienced in the beginning of 2023. But there is a lot of similarities to where we ended off from last year to this year, in the sense that the market was pushed down due to interest rates. The June and July interest rates of this year pushed the market down again to what we are considering the bottom. But again, it's called the bottom. And once you hit the bottom, it starts to go up, which we are anticipating for 2024. So what I want to do is give you a little outlook of what we're expecting for the upcoming year. And if we look at what happened in 2023, we started the year off with the government saying that they were going to hold interest rates. Well, lo and behold, in December of 2023, they announced the same thing, saying they're going to hold interest rates. And with that positive outlook, the market started to take off in spring and prices started to increase. So we are anticipating for that to happen again. What we do know is if you're looking to buy a house, January and February is going to be your ideal time. Inventory levels will be high and demand will still be light because of the colder weather. And we all know that spring's a better time to sell, but not only that, the buyer demand will definitely increase as well. So if you're thinking of selling, spring is going to be a better time. But if they hold the interest rates and potentially drop the interest rates, the whole year of 2024 is going to be a good selling season. But again, sellers, you must keep in mind, inventory levels are going to be higher in 2024 than they were in 2023. And that's because you're going to have numerous people who didn't sell in 2023 relist again in 2024. You're going to have people who may not be able to afford their mortgage renewals, so they will be selling, and that will come up in 2024. And not to mention all the other people who haven't even thought about doing real estate who will jump to the table in 2024. So inventory levels will be higher, so pricing sellers will be key. So if you want to sell your house in a reasonable amount of time, there will be a price point that you can price your house at. And guess what? Good news is you'll probably be selling within 2 weeks to 30 days, where a lot of the sellers this year were waiting anywhere from 30 to 90 days to potentially get their houses sold. So with that onslaught of potential new demand, we're expecting easier selling periods. But keep in mind, prices will not skyrocket exponentially in 2024. Even if they drop rates, yes, demand will be much better, but we still will have lots of inventory. In order to prices drastically increase, we need very low inventory and very strong demand. Well, we'll have that strong demand piece, but we'll also have high inventory, which will most likely yield to a balanced market, which personally is my favorite market. And as for buyers and sellers, it's a great market to buy and sell and trade real estate. So very cautiously optimistic that 2024 is going to be far better than what it was in 2023. But again, sellers, keep in mind, you aren't going to be exponentially stretching the market and your prices aren't going to exponentially increase. They will slowly start to increase and it will be an easier selling climate. And yes, buyers, there still will be plenty of good opportunities for you. The houses that are priced right and show well will sell very quickly and potentially get multiple offers, but there'll be other houses that are dated, need work, maybe not in quite the fabulous location, that you'll still be able to get good buys on. So should be a good year for buyers and sellers, and again, wishing you all the best for the upcoming year.